I have millions of followers and thousands worth of comments just for one simple move to finally get rid of your belly fat. That's what I bring to you today. This is such a simple move that you don't need any motivation to do it. You can do it the first thing you get up out of bed. You don't even have to get out of bed. Just do it in bed or just before you're going to sleep. So now there are no more excuses and absolutely slim waist coming up soon. Rita joined my weight loss program soon after an ultimatum which was given to her by her doctor. The same doctor who's seen her over the years and finally realized, what have you done with yourself, Rita? What's happened to your belly? It's just increasing year by year. Now your waist size is 44 inches. If you don't lose it, you're bound to have pre-diabetes, diabetes, CVD and hypertension. This is what scared Rita a lot and she joined my weight loss program, which is a comprehensive guide for not just a diet program but also easy and simple workouts. And this one simple move worked wonders for Rita. But before we start, I want you all to give an affirmation. First, write down below in the comment section, I will do it. Now with that affirmation and that positive energy, let's begin this super easy and simple move. Because mostly you're going to do this exercise first thing in the morning when you've just woken up out of slumber, you need to do some warm-up. That's very, very important. So I'm going to show you a very easy warm-up routine which will help warm you up, because this exercise heats up your belly, your digestion, the internal area along your belly area. And it's not just going to work on your digestion, but it's also going to tighten and tone your abdominal muscles. I'm going to show you 3 warm-ups, 45 seconds each. You have to do it also. This is what I prescribed for you. As I told you, your body is stiff right now. You've just woken up out of sleep. Let's do it together. The second warm-up is twisting sideways. The third warm-up is simple and easy, just stretching forwards like this. Now that you're feeling all fresh and refreshed, let's go on to the exercise. One simple move to finally give you a slim waist. So to begin the simple move, you have to come on your knees and your knees will be shoulder width apart like this. And for the first move, you have to go back and just stretch. Try to hold it for as long as you can and just stretch. We're just going to do 3 of these and then I'm going to show you the actual move. Now Now for the actual move. You have to twist sideways and grab this end of your foot. You have to touch the alternate heel. If you think you find it tough, then I'm going to show you another easier version. You're going to touch it like this, then rest. Then again come up like this, touch it like this, and back in the original position. So we're just going to take it slow and steady. Let's do it together. Now let's do the faster version. Oh my God, I can so feel the burn, and I know you will feel it too. Just have to follow along the instructions that I have given you and do this along with me every single day. Just play the video and start along with me. The best part about this exercise is that it not only targets your belly area, but also your back fat, your arm fat, your leg fat. The entire body fat is targeted. If you can learn this one simple move, you're sure to see results. If you're looking to join a paid, custom-made, tailor-made diet plan according to your needs, your preferences, your likes and your dislikes, keeping in mind your daily routine, your work timings and your cooking pattern, then you can click on the link given below in the description and join my weight loss program, where a doctor, dietitian, health counselor and me, together the entire team is there to support you. That's what we call ourselves, a support team, to work together to give you the desired results, be it weight loss, be it therapeutic plans, trying to reverse your diabetes, wanting to reduce your medication for hypothyroid, or trying to get rid of a CVD, which is sure to cause a heart attack if you don't lose weight. We are here to help you and guide you every step of the way. Don't worry, I'm here. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.